Living and Non-Living by Andrea Rivera. Living and non-living things are all around us. 5 chapters explain the science behind living and non-living things. Science. A living thing is or was alive. There are many kinds of living things. Animals are living things. So are plants. A non-living thing has never been alive. Rocks and clouds are non-living. Technology. Many things move, but not all things that move are alive. Machines can move, but they are not alive. Many machines use motors. The motors move the machine's parts. People design machines to do many jobs. Engineering. All living things grow. Birds grow inside of eggs. Incubators keep eggs warm. This helps the birds inside the eggs stay alive. Art. Chia pets look like animals. Their bodies are made from clay. Clay is not alive, but a chia pet's body has seeds on it. The seeds grow into plants. The plants are alive. Math. Living things grow. They breathe. They need energy. They also reproduce. They must have all 4 of these traits. Fire is not alive. It only has 3 of the needed traits. Fire needs energy and it grows. It reproduces too, but it does not breathe. Some key stats about living and non-living things. Non-living and dead are not the same. Something is dead if it was once alive but now is not. A non-living thing has never been alive. Living things respond to changes in their environments. Plants grow toward light. They bend if the light moves. Seeds are living things too, since they will grow into plants. Glossary. Here are some terms the author thought we might need to know in order to understand the text. Design. To plan how something will look or be made. Energy. Power that can be used to do work, move, or grow. Incubator. A machine that is used to keep eggs warm until they hatch. Reproduce. To create another thing of the same kind. And trait. A special quality that sets a person, animal, or object apart from others.